Good morning children. Welcome to your math class. Today we will do exercise 2.4, two problem sums. Question number 3 and question number 4. These are related to the uh, digits and interchanging the digits. In question number 3, sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Now, when we will get this kind of sums, first of all, you have to uh, be very clear about the ones place digit and tens place digit, as it is two-digit number. Now, solution, we will take as the sum of the digit is 9. Let us take the digit in the unit place be. Let the digit in the unit place be x. So the digit in the tens place equal to 9 minus x. Why? Because sum of the two digit is 9. As it is 9, so if one number is x, then another number must be 9 minus x. Now, take it is ones place and it is tens place. The original number, if I have taken it as x and the tens place digit is 9 minus x, then the original number is, see, it is in the tens place. Remember that expanded form you have done before in junior classes. Original number, which is 9 minus x, it is in the tens place, so you will multiply it by 10 and the number in the unit place or ones place, you will multiply it by 1. So the number is 9 into 10, 90, and minus 10 into x, 10x, plus 1 into x, 1x. 90, like terms you can subtract because of different sign, it will be minus 9x. So the original number is 90 minus 9x. So now the original number is 90 minus 9x. Now if we interchange, as it is in the question also it is there, if we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So we are interchanging the digits. Now it was in the ones place, in ones place it was x, now ones place I have given 9 minus x, and in tens place it is x. So the new number will be, as it is in the tens place, so 10 into x, plus as it is in the ones place, so 1 into 9 minus x. So what is the number? 10x plus 9 1 is 9 minus x 1 is x. If I, according to the like terms, if you do this subtraction, then you will get 9x plus 9. And this is the new number. And according to the question, it is written that, it is given that original number is greater, the new number is greater than the original number by 27. So can I write it according to the question, new number, that is 9x plus 9 is greater than the original number. What was original number? 90 minus 9x by 27. That means the difference between these two numbers, new number which we are getting by the interchanging the digits, and original number, the difference between two number is 27. Now simplify this. 9x plus 9 minus 90 plus 9x is equal to minus minus plus equal to 27. 9x plus 9x like terms, it will be 18x minus 9 minus 90, so it will be 81 and the larger number sign will come in front. So 9 minus 81 is equal to 27. Now 18x is equal to 27 plus 81. 18x is equal to 108. X is equal to 108 by 18. If you cancel it, 18 6 ja 108. Therefore, x is equal to 6. You have to find the original number. What is the two-digit number? That means what is the original number? Therefore, the original number is, the two-digit number is 90 minus 9x. Do you remember the original number was 90 minus 9x? Instead of x, now you can give into 6. So 90 minus 54, 90 minus 54, and the result is 36. And this is the answer. Though you are doing this sum first time, so first of all you have to understand the concept, then you practice it. Next sum is question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. One of the two digits of a two-digit number. Let the two-digit number, say it is 1's place and it is 10's place. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other. Say it is x, and therefore this one will be 3 times the other. Let the digit in the 1's place be x, therefore the digit in the 10's place will be 3x. Let the digit in the unit place, or 1's place, whatever you want to write, units place be x, therefore the digit in the 10's place is equal to 3x, because it is 3 times, it is given in the question. Therefore the original number is, write it in the expanded form, 3x, as it is in the 10's place, so 3x into 10 plus x is in the unit place, so x into 1. The number becomes 30x plus x equal to 31. If we interchange the digits, now if we interchange the digits, the new number become, if we are interchanging, now x I am giving in the 10's place and 3x in the unit place or 1's place. Then the new number will be expanded from x into 10 plus 3x into 1, that is 10x plus 3x equal to 13x. Now according to the question, if we add these two numbers, that is original number and reversing number, if you add these two, you will get 88. So according to the question, original number it was 31x and resulting number it is 13x. If we add these two, you will get 88. So 31 and 13, 44x. 44x is equal to 88. X is equal to 88 by 44, that is 2. Now 88 divided by 44, you will get 2, therefore x is equal to 2. Therefore the number, what is the original number? Therefore the original number, therefore the 2-digit number is it is 31x, 31 into 2, that is 62, or 13x, 13 into 2, that is 26. Both the cases the result will be same. So if you take first time the unit place is x and tens place is 3x, then this one will come. And if you interchanging number is, if you are taking tens place x and unit place 3x, then 2x will come. So both the digits are correct. So both the numbers are correct. So either it is 62 or it is 26. Understood? Practice these sums. Thank you, students.